back? Guess who's back? Guess who's back?
What's up, guys? It's your girl Bella Misia here, and I'm back with another video. I have a question for you guys. How's your hair doing? No, seriously, right now, how is your hair doing? Is it dry? Because this winter weather is just so disrespectful, and it's just stripping your hair of all its moisture. If you said yes to that question, I'm gonna go ahead and raise my hand, because me too, girl. Me too. But listen, I'm about to put y'all onto game right now. Like, I'm so excited to share this product with you guys. It's called Fro Butter with Emu Oil. This line of handmade, organic, natural ingredients is the business, y'all. And they were nice enough to send me their Fro Butter product to review. Not only is this Fro Butter from a black-owned company, power to the people, but it's an organic yet affordable, healthy hair butter for our natural hair. It's packed with so many natural ingredients, y'all. Like, what we got in here? We got organic pumpkin seed oil, we got organic carrot seed oil, we got organic coconut oil, organic lavender oil and fragrance, and the most important ingredient is organic emu oil. Do you know what emu oil is? Cause I don't. So I looked up its meaning, thinking it was gonna have this dope name like queen or empress, but no. Turns out it's the name of a native bird in Australia that pretty much resembles an ostrich. So the emu oil comes from the fat of the emu bird, and these fatty acids are used to make medicine, treat skin conditions like psoriasis and eczema, and improve the overall health of hair.
Yes, bitch, yes.
So I'm like, all right, that's dope or whatever, but like, how, sis?
How, Sway? Take a few steps back to go.
You ain't got the answers, man.
So basically, I found out that it's non-comedogenic, which is just a fancy way of saying it doesn't clog your pores, it reduces inflammation on your scalp, promotes circulation, thickens your hair. It's known for its deep penetrating ability, which helps tame frizz, yada yada yada, like all that good stuff. Clearly it does a lot for your hair and skin, but the thing that got me, sis, that made me say like, yo, I really gotta try this product, is that it prevents hair loss and stimulates growth. And I was like, cha-ching ching, that's what I'm talking about. So now that we know a little bit about the product, let's put it to the test. Today I'm gonna be doing a bomb braid out just to show y'all that this Fro Butter product right here is the truth, y'all. Like, I don't even know. Okay, I'm done. Alright guys, so I'm starting off on freshly washed hair. But this is what my hair looks like. Freshly washed with no product. Wow, it looks like a wig right now. My hair looks like a freaking wig. Like someone could just like yank this off. So I'm just gonna section the hair off in 3. Alright, so now that we got our 3 sections, I'm just gonna spray this section of hair with water, because water is always the first layer of moisture. Just helps the product soak into your hair better. And part it down here. And then my second layer of moisture is gonna be kinky curly. Not today, if it will come out. Come on, stop acting up on the camera! So I got some kinky curly, just a little bit. And I'm just gonna rake it through my hair. I'm gonna put the 3rd layer of moisture, which is this Fro Butter. Y'all, this thing right here smells so good. It just smells like so tropical. It kind of smells like Fruity Pebbles a little bit. Y'all, I think I just ran out of my oil. Nah, this can't be life. Alright, whatever. I managed to get a couple of drops out of the bottle, so I'm just gonna rake it through my hair. And then I'm just gonna come closer so you guys can see how I do this braid out. Try to break it into 3 even sections. And you gotta make sure you do it tight, because with any hairstyle, the tighter you do it, the better it will come out. When you get down to the ends, you just wanna twist it. So just separate the 3 sections into 2. And then just twist the end. And it should look something like this. And twisting the end just like avoids that crinkly look. You know, when you take out your braids, it just makes the curl more uniform at the end. Y'all, I am mad hyped because I got another bottle. You always have to have a backup. Like, if y'all didn't watch my favorite products video, do me a favor and do that after this video, okay? I'll put a link somewhere over here, or I'll link it down in the description box below. Like, this is my holy grail oil. I'm telling y'all, try it And let me know in the comments down below what you think. Yo, so I freaking was washing my hair, right? I washed my hair this morning. I realized that I ran out of deep conditioner and I went to the store. I've been using Ozzy Moist for the longest. And when I said that I looked at the price, I was like $5.99 plus tax. Where I was like, nah, like they're bugging. Like I'm never ever coming back here to buy a deep conditioner. Like I'm about to go to Target or I'm about to order that online because I feel like that's too much. If y'all get Ozzy Moist, comment down below how much Ozzy Moist is around where you live. Are they trying to low-key like raise the price of Ozzy Moist, or is this beauty supply store by my house just bugging? When you're braiding, you kind of want to like pull down on the strand just so you can get it nice and tight. Alright guys, so I just finished the back of my hair and I just want to show you guys what it looks like. I parted it in a slant right here, so then when I take it out, it'll be more uniformed and like meshed well together. My niece wants to say hi, you guys.
Hi, I'm a ballerina.
You gonna tell them your name?
My name is Mila.
Girl, you're getting heavy. Whose birthday's coming up?
My birthday,
When's your birthday?
April 23rd.
And how old you gonna be?
5.
What?
Okay.
I'm like, why are you lying for?
If you subscribe and all these comments, I'll have a ballet video.
If you what?
If you subscribe and
Subscribe? She said if you guys subscribe to my channel, that she will show you the rest of her ballet slippers. So y'all better hit that subscribe button right now. Comment down below if you guys want to see a video of my 6-year-old niece doing my hair. I think that'd be kind of fun. Alright guys, so all my hair has been braided. All my hair is locked and sealed and moisturized and ready to go. I feel like Snoop Dogg right now. Like, I don't think y'all understand. Like, I look like Snoop Dogg. Snoop Dogg. Snoop Dogg. Snoop Dogg. It's all good though, because Snoop Dogg is cute. And he got some good hair. But I'm basically gonna let my hair dry for a few hours. And once my hair is dry, I'm just gonna put this bad boy on it. It's my satin bonnet, but you can use whatever you have, like, I don't know, a do-rag, a headscarf. You just wanna find something that's really gonna keep the moisture in your head. Alright, so I'm about to catch a few Z's, so I'll see you guys in the morning. Alright guys, so it's the next morning, and my hair is basically like 90% dry right now. As you can see, like there's some frizz there. So I'm just gonna grab my grapeseed oil. I put it in this little bottle just because the grapeseed oil bottle is hella big. So yeah, I'm just gonna put a few drops of the grapeseed oil in my hand and just massage it all over my braids. Just laying down any flyaways, trying to eliminate some frizz. But so far guys, like my braids are looking so moisturized. So as you can see, I just took this one out and this is what it looks like. So I'm just gonna continue taking out the rest of them. I'm just gonna untwist the bottom and unbraid it the same way I braided it. Alright, so as you guys can see, like my hair is hella defined. And you see like at the end, it's not like straight because we twisted the end, so it has like a curly little bounce to it. Alright, let's continue taking out the rest of them. Do not do this, okay? Just try to be neat when you're taking out your braids. When you do stuff like this, like tear it out and try to rush, this is what you get. You get this little knot here, and then this is like a ball of frizz just waiting to happen. Alright guys, so I'm done unraveling the braids out of my hair. The first thing I noticed is that my hair is hella shiny. I noticed that there's a lot of definition, like aside from the frizz that I created myself. And you guys, this is just from using a butter. Like whenever I do braid outs or twist outs or any type of like protective style, I always reach for like a gel or like a cream, like a styling cream, you know what I mean? But like, I never reached for a butter because I always thought that it would like weigh my hair down, especially my hair type is like 3C4A. So I really thought that it would like weigh my hair down, but like, I'm really impressed by the definition that it left in my hair. Anyway, time for the separation process. Some of my hair like already separated on its own, but I'm just gonna, you know, separate it into 2-3 smaller sections. And then just twirl it around my fingers. Ow, you saw that bounce back though, shorty? Alright guys, so this is what my hair looks like completely separated. You guys can leave it like this if you want, but if you guys know me, you know I like volume, darling. So I'm gonna take my wide tooth comb and just start picking at the roots, like lifting it up. Yes, y'all see that volume though? Y'all, I don't even like center part, but the center part I feel like is creating more volume, you know what I mean? It's just like, I'm loving this, like, yes, darling, yes. All right, so I'm actually not gonna do my edges. I just don't feel like it's necessary. My baby hairs are like chilling right now. I don't feel the need to disturb the peace, you feel me? Like, they doing what they need to be doing and I don't need to do them. But these are the results, guys, after picking my hair. Let me know in the comment section down below what you guys think. Personally, like, I love how my hair came out. Like, I'm not gonna lie, like, I'm kind of feeling myself. This is definitely a look. I'm actually surprised with how well the fro butter like held the definition of my curls. Like, you would think a butter would like weigh your hair down, but this is really lightweight and it doesn't make your hair greasy or heavy. Like, it actually does the opposite. I don't know, this product is a go for me. So let me know what you guys think down below. Do you feel like it did my hair justice, and are you willing to try it out? Make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up if you want to see me do more product reviews on my channel. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel as well. The button should be a big bright red if you haven't done so already. Also, don't forget to hit the little notification bell so you'll be the first to know whenever I post a new video. As always, thank you for watching, beauties, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.
What?
Goodbye.
She's my sister.
Oh boy. Yeah, we're sisters. Can't you tell?
Cause she's my big sister.
Alright, I guess you're just gonna
And I have a big brother too.
I guess you're just gonna be here while I finish my hair, huh?
She's my big sister. She's my big sister anyways.